So, you have a recorder and it needs to be cleaned. By the way, your recorder should be cleaned about once a month. You can clean it more frequently, but it's not a good idea to leave it for longer than a month because things can start to grow inside. It gets brown and smelly and gross. We don't want that to happen. So, first thing, make sure that you take off your bands and belts. Okay, you just have the recorder. Second thing is you've got some warm soapy water in your kitchen sink or your bathroom sink if that's a nice place to wash it. You want to take the recorder apart, just like this. Drop it in the warm soapy water. Let's get in there and take a look, shall we? Check out that soapy water. So, I've got my dish detergent. I've got some warm soapy water in there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of swish those pieces around a little bit. Okay, I'll make sure that they get, clean in the warm water. And with the mouthpiece, I'm going to just kind of make sure there's a little extra attention to where I put my lips because that part can get gross. Okay, so we want to make sure that that's all cleaned out. And then I'm going to run some nice clean water to rinse it out. Okay, so I'm just rinsing. And once that part is done, I'm going to put it on a paper towel to sit. Do the same with this guy. And the same with the foot here. Here it is. Now I can release my plug. I'm done with that. This can be done the same as with, same thing you would do with kitchen dishes. After you have washed and rinsed your recorder, just let it sit for about 24 hours. Or until it's completely dry inside, then put the pieces back together. When you put the pieces back together, make sure that all the holes along the front line up with the window and the Yamaha symbol. Okay, so they all need to line up along here. Make sure it's completely dry before you try to play it, otherwise you might get some weird sounds and a mess. Okay? That should make sense, but if you have any questions, you can contact me at school or ask me in the halls. All right? Thanks.